Hi ladies, welcome to Wavy Cute. Today's review is an infinity hair removal device. Us girls would do anything to look beautiful and have radiant soft skin. But it's not always the face. We also have to think about our body. To be exact, the hair on our body. No one likes that. You might be going to salons and removing your body hair with several different options like waxing and spend a lot of money on that. But these do not give you a permanent result. Your hair grows back in a week or so. But you don't need to spend a lot of time and money on that anymore. This infinity hair removal device would do the trick. This is a new technique in hair removal, a technique which is revolutionary in many ways and which renders obsolete traditional hair removal methods. This device is an Infinity's eHPL technology which uses pulses of light to permanently remove undesired hair growth. Infinitely smooth skin without any pain or irritation is finally at your fingertips. And the best thing is that it is really affordable. You buy it once and use it for a very long time. With its compact, versatile design and option to pulse or glide, you can customize your treatment for the most effective hair removal. Also, with a lifetime of pulses in one device, you will never have to worry about replacing your cartridge. This Infinity hair removal device is painless, irritation-free, suitable for many different hair colors and skin types, leaves skin smooth and supple, good for a lifetime of treatments. Pulsing and gliding methods allow you to target treatment areas. 5 power settings for customized treatment levels. Quartz bulb allow for quick reloading and faster pulses, includes free app to schedule treatments. It arrives in its packaging, and within the packaging is the nice sturdy case, and inside of that case is the device, the charging cord, and also has adapters for different parts of the world. That's it for today. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye loves!